Bitcoin. 3,000 Bitcoin ATMs were installed globally in 2022, more than 20 a day. The Bitcoin ATMs is coming one after another. As cryptocurrency use becomes more mainstream, the sector is putting in place infrastructure to facilitate the transition, such as Bitcoin ATMs. Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency market is now experiencing downward pressure, this has not prevented the installation of Bitcoin ATMs throughout the world, with the number of such machines continuing to expand. According to data acquired by Finbond, the number of Bitcoin ATMs throughout the globe was 34,340 on January 1st. However, the number has risen by nearly 3,000 since that date, with 37,338 Bitcoin ATMs at the time of writing on May 10th, as per Coin ATM Radar. Looking at that, that's adoption, that's expansion of crypto. Just keep on growing and becoming more and more. But before we continue with the news, have a look at Wolf Financials, a decentralized exchange, yield farming and staking. The launch on Pink Cell will be in August, but it's time to get in and to know. All the details will be down in the description, the website, the Telegram, the Twitter. Stay up to date because this is one pre-sale you don't want to miss. So back to the news. 280 billion outflows Bitcoin's market cap as it fails to capitalize on 2022 crypto adoption. While the current bearish pattern of the entire cryptocurrency market continues, its major asset Bitcoin has been recording steady losses in terms of price and market capitalization recently, but also since the year's turn. Indeed, since the beginning of 2022, the market capitalization of the flagship digital asset has gone from 883 billion, where it stood on January 1st, to 604 billion on May 10th, as per CoinMarketCap data acquired by Finbond on May 10th. In other words, 279 billion has flowed away from Bitcoin market cap since the year started, reducing it by 31.57%. Yes, I understand Bitcoin is down and it's declining, but so is the stock market. The world macroeconomic is pushing the markets currently down. The interest rate, inflation, all has a factor in the price. But still, the price is a lot higher it was a year ago, or even if you go and look at March 2020. El Salvador made $1 million on Bitcoin trading in 11 hours. Yes, how? The most recent purchase of 500 Bitcoin made by El Salvador at approximately $30,000 has already turned a profit, at the country's president shows off the successful deal in his Twitter account. According to the post, the country's balance is up to 1 million in only 11 hours, right after buying many coins. But while Bukele brags about the successful deal, users rush to remind the president that the country is down by approximately $20 million since the average Bitcoin entry is around $45,000. Well, the average might be high, but on this current transaction, it has additional $1 million it didn't have before. El Salvador will profit from the Bitcoin position only after the first cryptocurrency rallies by approximately 40% from the price at which it trades now. The country started buying Bitcoin back in September when Bitcoin was trading around $50,000. Country fails to adopt Bitcoin. Unfortunately, the country's perma-bull president, citizens of El Salvador, are not feeling like switching to Bitcoin and using the widely pushed Civo wallet. As you today has previously converted, 60% of the country's citizens dropped the Civo wallet after receiving free $30 Bitcoin. 10-month Bitcoin price low sparked $1 billion in liquidation as Bitcoin eyes 35k CME futures gap. Long positions suffered across Bitcoin and altcoins as Bitcoin gets sent back to exchanges for potential sale. Bitcoin upended by trends through May 10th, and Bitcoin USD sank below $30,000 for the first time since July 2021. Data from on-chain analyst firm CryptoQuant showed exchange reserves started increasing as panic gripped crypto markets. BTC flows back to exchanges. After seeing a sustained downtrend, the amount of Bitcoin on major exchanges has begun to increase again. According to CryptoQuant, which tracks the balance of 21 major exchanges, sellers sent a total of 37,537 Bitcoin to accounts from May 6 to May 9th inclusive. The deposits came as Bitcoin price action fell from $36,000 to $29,700, subsequently recovering to nearly $32,000 at the time of writing on May 10th. In private comments to Cointelegraph, CryptoQuant head of marketing Hakon Chang said that sell-off did not just involve speculators, but formed the next phase of more concerted desire to reduce Bitcoin's exposure for Bitcoin's biggest token holders. The massive inflow was not starting just yesterday. It has started since May, he said. Bitcoin price declines on whale selling. Since early May, growing exchange reserves has been increasingly dominated by whale deposits. As whales move their coins to exchanges, it puts downward pressure to the Bitcoin price. Other sources, as CoinGraph reported, also noticed changing whale behavior. This, nonetheless, occurring comfortably above Bitcoin's realized price of around $24,000. Top trader says whales are doubling down on long positions as crypto markets get ready for a reversal. A popular crypto analyst says deep pocket investors are doubling down on long positions amid the recent market-wide price collapse. The anonymous trader Light tells his 157,800 Twitter followers that the Bitcoin price risk-reward ratio looks attractive now that Bitcoin is trading very close to $30,000. If you've gotten this far, you need to be expressing some long positions. It either bottoms here or at 30,000, but in 3 months it won't matter. If you don't believe me, don't get it. I don't have time to try to convince you, sorry. The analyst also says that experienced traders are building long positions at Bitcoin current price. Might be tempting to capitulate to the siren song of bearish influencers after the rout of last week, but find courage in the fact that every person I know who has made 9 figures or more from this space is adding to longs in this move down. Light says that long positions on crypto exchanges Bitfinex are soaring to all-time highs. Bitfinex whales are buying your capitalization again anon, like they did in July last year. Swap time-weighted average price in addition to limit bids walls. Bitcoin is trading for 30,889 at the time of writing. The top-ranked crypto asset by market cap is down more than 9% in the past 24 hours. Now, looking at all the different news we've just seen, the most important part I've seen is this section. Light says that long positions on crypto exchanges, Bitfinex, are soaring to all-time high. People is buying back in. Have we seen the bottom? Are we going to see growth? Are we going to see a bounce? What's your thoughts on it? Smash that like and subscribe button and leave me your comments down below. What is your price target for Bitcoin? Have a great one.